How to remove items from wishlist in Shein. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can remove any items from your saved or Shein wishlist. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Shein application first and get logged into your Shein account. Now before removing an item from a wishlist, let's go ahead and add some item first. Tap onto the item that you would like to save or add to your wish list. Tap on this heart icon. Now let's go ahead and start the process of removing an item from our wish list. To do that, there are two methods. You can either select any item first and tap on this three dot icon and tap on wish list. That will show you all the wish list that you have, or you can just go onto your home screen and tap onto me section from your bottom right. If you scroll below, you will see a wish list option. If you tap on view all, you will see all the items that you have added onto your wish list. If you tap onto it and unheart this option, it will be removed from your wish list. Let's go ahead and do the same for others as well. Pick on any dress, and if you see the heart icon that is shaded, tap onto it. Then refresh your page, and that items will be removed from your Shein wish list. That is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.